In this tutorial, we're going to talk about locking objects. This is a really great function, especially if you're working with a really complex design or a layered design, and you want to make certain that you're not skewing or making mistakes with other elements. And a really great way to do that is to use the locking function that's available in Corel. So what I'm going to do, just to kind of create a basic example, is I'm going to draw a ellipse, and we'll just assign a color to it. And what I can do is I can right mouse click on any object, and I have an option here that says lock. So when I left mouse click on that, notice I cannot move that. That is now locked to my workspace. So you can have multiple layers of objects, and we can continue to lock those so they stay in position. So draw a new object here. Once again, go right mouse click and say lock object. So now we have two locked objects on our workspace, and those won't go anywhere. Now, some really great ways to use that particular tool is if you have sort of blank t-shirts that you like to mock up designs on. In fact, that's a great way to design, is to actually lock a large sort of default whatever your project may be. It could be a photo of a vehicle, it could be a t-shirt, or even a vector-based product blank, and you can design on top of that blank without it moving and distorting. So it's a great way to get a sense of space and position, make sure you're utilizing space appropriately, and just set that as a locked background. Now, of course, at the point that I want to unlock, I'll just go ahead and right mouse click once more and say unlock, and that will allow you to go and grab that object and make changes to it and skew it. Now, in the event that you're doing logo cleanup, say you're taking a bitmap based design and you need to reconstruct it or redraw it, you can import your bitmap based logo and you can lock that to your workspace, so then you can take some of the redrawing tools and you can redraw on top of your original source file without any movements taking place.